TigerTec Incorporation. TigerTec Incorporation China is a Sino-US joint venture and a professional manufacturer of CNC rotors and fiber laser cutting machines. We focus on high-quality CNC machines and aim at middle and high-end overseas markets. Our products range from woodworking CNC rotors, fiber laser cutting machines, handheld welding machines, pattern-making CNC machines to stoneworking CNC machines, etc. As a shining star in the mechanical manufacturing industry, striving for excellence is our ultimate pursuit of quality. Honest management is our greatest respect for our customers. The majestic momentum of TigerTec's future rise. Our products are exported to over 70 countries and regions. We have dealers and after-sales service centers in numerous countries and regions. TigerTec is constantly narrowing its distance from the world, seeking breakthroughs and surpassing in professional fields. The thickness of the foundation determined the height of development. We have welding workshop, painting house, sand polishing and powder coating, machining workshop, and assembly workshop. We manufacture all the machines parts by VMC and a 5-site machining center in-house to control the quality and delivery time. More than 200 testing items have been conducted by the American Hammer laser detector. Honesty molds the quality. Quality wins the market. Service establishes the reputation. With the concept of focusing on technology and professional manufacturing, strengthen the brand image. We supply global installation, training and service for our customers. Actively exploring and constantly innovating. Welcome to TigerTec.